Yeah, we missing some hair. What is this? We gonna fix it. It's okay. Look at that. Look at all that hair in this. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Janet Collection. Once again, y'all know I love me some extensions and some synthetic wigs. I love my locks, and Janet Collection actually sent me over their poetry locks. So before we get into the installation of this video, I wanted to share with you guys exactly what the package looks like. They sent me over their poetry locks in the color OET 1B30. So a little bit of that 1B at the top and a little bit gray or fading into that 30 at the bottom. Let's just go ahead and install them. So I'm starting off by using my herbal oil and my shea butter to basically just moisturize my hair because we're about to be installing these locks. I have around maybe 60 or so individual braids in my hair. Basically makes it easier for installing the locks this way. So as you can see, I already started on a few of my locks. Hey girl. Going to take a piece of spring twist hair, separate that a little bit, get it all prepared. Take my lock, and I'm actually going to crochet it on top of my braid. So pretty much starting about 3 notches down on my braid. I'm going to take the lock and crochet it partially through the braid as well, and take the end of my hair and crochet it back through the whole of the lock. I hope that makes sense. It's really simple to do and a really easy process, and I'm going to show y'all again, but pretty much as I get all that together, as it's crocheted back, going to take a piece of that spring hair, crochet at the top of my hair where the base part of that braid starts, wrap it around 3 times, literally just wrap it around 3 times, and begin by wrapping down the lock, making sure you cover your hair, wrap back up the lock, palm roll, and it is that simple, y'all. I promise you guys can do this in your sleep. Alright, so I'm going to just make sure I show y'all one more time without me talking, because visuals just help a lot more compared to me rambling all the time. So here you go again to see how I install these. Now, just a few details on these locks. I believe in each pack there are around 12 or so locks. So around 6 packs was used on my hair, maybe around 72 locks, maybe a little bit less. Not that many locks. I think I used about 6 packs of hair. The locks are very, very lightweight. They are actually a lot lighter compared to the Janet Collection butterfly locks. I would recommend these if you are more, prone to really having heavy heads. You don't like a lot of heavy hair. I would definitely get these over the butterfly locks. Now, I love my butterfly locks, don't get me wrong, but if you prefer a little bit of a lighter hair selection, I'll prefer these locks over the butterfly locks. Now, after about 4 hours, I am all done wrapping. Pretty much just going to put some little bit of jewelry in my hair, gel my edges down, and that is it. Literally the easiest style y'all can do, y'all. I promise you guys can do this in your sleep. It is that easy. Let me know what you guys like this hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I guys will see you in my next video. Bye.